Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm here with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'm going to show you if you're facing the problem your connection is not private on Chrome on iPhone. Then in this video, I will show you how you can fix this problem. If you are having this type of problem while browsing on Google Chrome on iPhone and you are facing the problem your connection is not private, so in this video I will tell you the possible solutions how you can fix this problem if you are having this type of problem. So now let's get started how you can fix this problem. First of all, here you will have to close this tab. So first of all, you will have to open Google browser. So first of all, here you will have to refresh the page and then try again later and check that the problem fixed or not. If you are having still this problem after refreshing the page, you are having still this problem, then you will have to open setting of your iPhone device. Then after that, scroll it below, tap on general. Then after that, here you will have to tap on date and time and make sure that your iPhone date and time is correct and the set automatically is turned on. And after that, check that the problem fixed or not. If you are having still this problem, then after that you will need to update Google Chrome browser from App Store or any other source. You will have to update your browser and after that check that the problem fixed or not. If still problem is there, then you will need to try with incognito mode. You will have to turn on the incognito mode and then try to browse and check that the problem fixed or not. If you are having still this problem, then you will have to again open setting. Then after that, here you will have to scroll it below. Then here you will have to search for Safari browser. Then after that, scroll it below. Here you will have to search for history. Here is history. You will have to tap on clear history and website data. After that, here you will have to tap on clear all history and then here you will have to check the close all tabs, then tap on clear all history. And after that, you will need to scroll it below and here the advanced you will need to tap on here. Then after that, tap on website data and from here you will have to delete the all available website data here. Just tap on edit, then you will have to delete the available website data here and then check that the problem fixed or not. If you are having still this problem, then you will have to try with different network. If you're using Wi-Fi, then you will have to use network through your mobile phone data, and after that, hopefully after all these settings, your problem will be fixed and your connection is not private on Chrome on iPhone will be resolved. So this is a way through which you can fix this problem. So hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thank you very much for watching this video.